Hey everyone, it's Andrea and Bennett. You're gonna hang out with me? Mm-hmm. Me and Bennett are hanging out today, and I just watched Jess's video where she picks out her kits for fall, and I'll link that down below. And I have seen so many videos where people show picking their kits and their kit lineups, and personally, I put my kits away as they come in and kind of switch things out. So picking my kits doesn't really work for me, but I figured I could show you what kits I'm using and me and Bennett can talk about them, right? Mm-hmm. That'd be fun? Uh-huh. Okay, so I'm going to show you basically September, so like fallish time, and Halloween. So let's go through these, okay? Mm-hmm. Okay, so my first kit here is called July 2021 Mystery, and I love this kit so much. Is this one cute?
Mm-hmm. It has pumpkins.
It has pumpkins? Mm-hmm. Yeah. And look, what's that?
A puppy dog in a trunk.
Yeah. So I'm going to use this one, and it did come with a like bonfire foil, but I really wanted to use that with this kit. So I decided to use the silver leaves with this because I thought it still looked really cute with it, and I think the silver kind of matches the cool tones. I didn't pull out any quotes for this, but I might do that a little bit later. But I think the leaves works. You think it works?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then we're going to move on to Halloween Town, which is August 30th to the 5th, which I will also link all of the supplies I used to make this down below. So the binder, the stickers, and the sleeves. The stickers are from my shop, and then the sleeves and binder are from Amazon.
It does one about Barbie. Well, this one has more pumpkins. And this one about Barbie Queens.
Maybe Barbie Queens. This one's Halloween Town. We'll watch this year. Mm-hmm. It's about a town that's all Halloween.
And witches.
Yeah. What are you going to be for Halloween?
Bigfoot.
You're going to be Bigfoot? Okay. Mm-hmm. What should TT be?
A monster.
A monster, because TT is a little bit of a Wreck-It Ralph. So I'm going to use this with this one, because I thought that there's like a lot of orange in this kit, and I think that it'll look really nice together. I debated also kind of switching them, but I don't know. There's something about the orange I think looks really good with this one. And it's so cute. Mm-hmm. So many pumpkins, right? How many pumpkins?
I think 12 pumpkins.
12 pumpkins? I don't think 12.
What's this one going to be?
This one's going to be for your birthday party. Uh-huh. But I don't have that one yet. What kind of birthday party are you having?
Dinosaur.
And then what do you want for your birthday?
A gary doll.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And what else?
And I want to be a big T-Rex.
You want to be a big T-Rex? Uh-huh. Is that all you want for your birthday, is a Gabby dollhouse? Uh-huh. Cool. So this is going to be for Bennett's birthday. So his birthday's in October, but my friend Bree is driving down with her whole family and her grandparents. So we decided just to have his birthday while they were here. Otherwise, it would have just been us and my in-laws, which still would have been fun because that's what we did last year. But we figured, why not? Bennett doesn't care, right? Uh-huh. You just want to have a cool party? Uh-huh. And Denver's going to be there?
Uh-huh. What's this one?
This one's called Addams. Uh-huh. It's kind of spooky, huh? Mm-hmm. Do you like it? Uh-huh. I was thinking next year we could dress up as the Addams Family. I think that'd be really cute. Yeah. Maybe we could watch this year. I don't think it's too spooky. Look. So cute. And this one I have some bat foil in silver. Do you like that together? Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's a good one.
Uh-huh. What this one is?
Come on, let's get to it.
What's this?
So I think silver works with that and the bats. I tried to like switch up the foils too. So I basically like picked out my kits, and then I picked out my foils, and then I placed them so that I wasn't using silver like 2 weeks in a row. What? What's this one? This one's called Beetle Juice.
Uh-huh. What is there eyes in it?
There's eyes in her mouth. Look, there's a snake.
A snake?
Is this one cool?
Uh-huh.
And look at the bugs. See the bugs? This one's Beetle Juice, which totally reminds me of Kirsten. So I'm using that this week. And I am going to be pairing this with red foil. So I do have this red star foil, which is really cool, right?
Let's talk about this one.
Oh, we didn't even get to that one yet. So I have some red star foil, right? And then I have this from Sadie Stickers, which is also just red with bows. And I figured I can kind of like swap some out because I don't think that this is necessarily like a full-blown like red star vibe kit, but I thought the red would look really cool since it's not one of the colors, but it is in the full boxes. So I think that'll look nice. And then I'll probably, for all of the like specialty foils, I will pull in extra black icons. This one's cool. I wasn't initially going to use this one, but I thought that you'd like this one.
What this one?
This one is called Halloween Night.
This is pretty scary.
It's pretty scary?
Mm-hmm.
What do you like about it?
About the eyes and the eyes and the mustaches, the bats, and the stars inside the green.
Do you like the stars inside of the green? Do you like the candy?
Better.
What's your favorite kind of candy?
Pink marshmallows.
Pink marshmallows? Those are cute. I bet you Darcy drew those just for you. So I wasn't planning on using this set. I was going to use one of the horror sets, but I just feel like it's not my vibe. I don't know. I don't know. I just don't like spooky stuff. I like spoopy stuff. So I decided to use this.
Spooky stuff?
I like spoopy stuff. It's kind of like spooky, but a little different, a little lighter, a little bit easier.
Let's do that one now.
Oh, you're going to like that one. So I paired this with the Crest Press Shimmer. This was from, I believe, the September or... I don't know. It's from one of the mysteries, but I thought that this looked good together because it has an orange in it, but it's not like a bright orange, so I think it works well with like the copper color. And again, like if I need more icons, I will probably pull...
Let's do that one.
Yeah, that's gonna be your favorite one. I'll probably pull in black icons for that one as well. So this one is the one I'm using for Bennett's birthday week, and obviously I would have used his... Yeah, I would have used his...
And popcorn.
You love popcorn, huh? Is this cool?
And a whole mask.
Yeah.
Daddy would wear that.
Daddy should wear that. Bennett loves Marvel. He loves Marvel. You love Mario. You love Gabby Dollhouse. We love Barbies. What else do you love? That's kind of a lot of it, isn't it?
Gabby Dollhouse.
Gabby Dollhouse, yeah. But I thought this would be cute for his birthday week since I'm using his birthday kit on the week of his party. But isn't this so cool? Look, and then there's the Batman symbol. And there's Superman. Right there.
Even there's popcorn, Hulk.
And there's Thor.
And Hulk.
Yeah. There's more boxes back here. Look. Who's that? Spider-Man. And the birthday cake. And then for this, I'm going to pull, so it kind of feels a little more Halloween, I'm going to do candy foil in silver.
Oh, let's talk about this one.
Oh, and then these quote boxes from my shop. But I just thought that would be cute to use for his birthday because he does like superheroes.
It's going to be cute.
It's going to be so cute. The next one I'm using for Jess's birthday.
Whoa, this one's cool.
You like this one?
It's like a gingerbread house.
It looks like a gingerbread house. So then we have the extras. I just thought this would be really cute for her birthday because it kind of has like party vibes. Also has like Jess vibes just in general. And it's spooky. And I'm just going to be using hollow foil with this one. Look how pretty the hollow foil is. What are these?
Spiderwebs.
Spiderwebs. Like Spider-Man. Works perfect for that.
Let's talk about this one.
Let's talk about that one. So that's for Jess's birthday week. And then the next week, I am using Spooky Pumpkin Patch. Oops. There's a lot of foil back here. Ugh. So my thought process with this one's pretty cool, right? There's a kitty cat.
And there's a ghost.
And ghosts?
It kind of looks like Ghostbusters.
Oh, you love Ghostbusters too. So I'm going to be using the black Twinkle foil bundle. I don't know if this one's still available. And then also pulling in this older foil bundle, which I believe is like copper Twinkle. I think this is still in shop. It might actually be on discount. So I figure I can mix these two together to get a vibe going. Maybe do like the bougie boxes from here. Do you know what that is? What is it?
Ghosties.
It's not Ghosties, it's Casper. But I figured I'd use like the bougie boxes black and then pull in some of the twinkly.
Let's talk about this one.
Yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about. You guys are gonna see it. It's gonna be awesome.
Okay.
Bennett's on to the next one already, and then that moves into like Thanksgiving, Christmas, all that jazz. What's this one?
Halloween.
I'm going to be using it for the week of Halloween because Mommy loves Casper. We're going to watch Casper this year.
What's this guy?
That's Casper.
Casper?
What's that?
A slime.
That's an egg.
An egg.
And what's this one?
Pancake.
That's awesome. You love pancakes, huh? He loves Joshua Wiseman. He does cooking videos. And what are your favorite videos from the cooking guy?
Pancake.
What's the other one?
Waffles.
And what's the other one?
Corn dogs.
Corn dogs. Yep, those are all of his favorite ones, right? And every once in a while we watch other ones, but he loves him. I'll put him down below. We watch him every time we eat. Sorry, I just smacked you in the face with the foil. We watch him every time we eat, and he usually wants to watch one of those three, and we'll watch like another one as well, but it's good stuff. So for this one, I'm going to use spider foil and silver. I'm still hoping that somebody comes out with like quote boxes for a lot of these that will kind of match.
Are you done with stickers?
Yeah, I'm done with stickers. We're just talking about them real quick. Don't give them any hints away. So I have the rest of them labeled through January. But we won't show you those. But that's everything that I'm using. Next time, obviously, I won't have Bennett with me to film this. But I was just, like, so in the mood because I just watched the video. What did you do today? What did you do today?
What did I do?
Did you do a puzzle? Yeah, you did really good on that puzzle, huh? And you play with stickers?
I play with stickers.
Watching Gabby Dollhouse?
Watching Gabby Dollhouse.
Chilled mommy? TT's taking a nap?
TT's taking a nap.
Daddy's running errands? Which kit do you like the most? Which stickers do you like the most that I showed? Avengers, yeah. I thought that would be a perfect one for your birthday week. And then for your birthday party, we use the dinosaur one that's coming out.
Dinosaur stickers?
Yeah, Mommy's going to do dinosaur stickers for your birthday. That'd be awesome. Are you excited for your birthday?
Yeah.
Yeah. How old are you going to be?
4.
4. How old are you right now?
3.
How old's TT?
2.
No, TT's 1. So that's everything, I think. But yeah, I'm really excited for this lineup. I mean, it's subject to change, right? Mom, make a change your mind. We change our mind sometimes. But I think that this is pretty solid, and I'm happy with it. Like I said, I really wanted to use one of the horror-y kits, but I just feel like it's not my vibe. I like all of them, but I just feel like it wouldn't be very me because I just don't like spooky stuff like that. I'm just too scared of everything. And then I feel like I don't know. I don't know. I can't do it. Maybe next year. Maybe if Bennett ever likes spooky, scary movies. Do you like scary movies?
No, I like not scary movies.
Yeah, we don't like scary movies in this house, huh?
Yeah.
What's your favorite movie?
Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs? Like the dinosaur Lego one? Yeah.
What Daddy dinosaur Lego?
Yeah.
My dinosaur Lego?
Your dinosaur Lego. All right, you want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
See you later.
See you later.
Bye.